Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to control your autofill data on the Google Chrome browser. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the autofill option. Then Password. You can let the Google Chrome browser offer to save passwords, or enable an option to automatically sign in to sites and apps using stored credentials. If turned off, you'll be asked for confirmation every time before signing into a site or app. And you can add an URL site with a username and password. Then click on Save. You can copy the password, edit it, or remove it. For the payment method option, you can enable an option to let the Google Chrome browser save and fill payment forms with your saved payment methods, and enable or disable an option to allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved. You can also add a payment method. Add a card number, an expiration date, a name on the card, and a card nickname. And this card will be saved to this device only. After you finish, click on the Save button. You can edit or remove the payment method. Finally, you can let Google Chrome save and fill in addresses. Includes information like phone numbers, email addresses, and shipping addresses. Click on Add Address, and fill in the country or region, organization, name, street address, city, postal code, phone, and email address. You can edit or remove the addresses.